The Toja Grid planter brackets are available in two sizes: the double high, which fits two 2x6 planks of lumber, and the triple high, which fits three 2x6 planks of lumber. For each size bracket, choose between a flat bottom or a spike style, used for inserting into the ground to keep your planter box firmly in place. You can also choose to add support brackets for increased structural integrity. The type of lumber used is also important. We recommend using cedar. Make sure not to use pressure-treated wood, as it contains harmful chemicals. To build, first cut the lumber to your desired measurements and lay out the bottom frame like so. Make sure that you're building on a flat surface, as we are building the planter box upside down, meaning this is the top, and we want to ensure that the top is perfectly flat. Then we will flip the planter box over when we're done. For the corners, you can cut the ends of the lumber at a 45-degree angle so that they meet like this, or simply overlap them like this. Take the corner brackets, place on the corners, line it up with the edge of the lumber, slightly higher, leaving a lip, or however you desire, and fasten with screws. For the spike style brackets, if you're working on flat ground as shown here, you will need to attach the brackets with the spikes pointing up, again keeping in mind that we are building these planters upside down. Then insert and fasten the remaining pieces of lumber, same as before. If you have support brackets, measure, place, and fasten them last. And don't forget to apply caps.